Hello friends, this is Shehzad and you are watching Shehzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat notification sound not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. There is many method to solve this issue. First is check Snapchat notification settings. Make sure that notification are enabled for Snapchat. Go to settings here. Here you can scroll down and select the Snapchat, tap on it. Here you can see notifications, tap on it. Now you can make sure that the notification is turned on. If turn it off, turn it on to fix your notification. If this solution is not working, then we move to second solution. Second is check Snapchat in app settings. Open the Snapchat app. Here you can tap on profile icon and here you can see settings icon. Tap on it, scroll to the down and you can see notifications. Tap on it and here you can turn it on all these settings to fix your notification settings. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is update your Snapchat app. So just simply go to App Store. Here you can search the Snapchat. Wait for a few seconds. Now you can see tap on Snapchat. If you have any update of Snapchat, tap on update to update your Snapchat and fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is check that the volume ringer button is turned on. So check it. Now you can see silent mode is off. Now you can see silent mode is on. So just turn it off to fix your notification sounds on Snapchat. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is restart your device. So for restarting your device, just simply tap on settings here. Here you can see general, tap on it and now you can scroll down to the bottom and tap on shutdown and you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on back to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another is update to the latest iOS. So just simply go to settings, tap on general and here you can see software update. Tap on it. So checking for update. If you have any pending update, download and install it to fix your problem. So after updating to the latest update, so if all these solution is not working, then we move to another is reset all settings without losing any data. So just simply go to settings here. Here you can see general, scroll down and you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Here you can see reset. Now you can see reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings to reset the all settings only without losing any data. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.